Install a Python package into a different directory using pip. I know the obvious answer is to use virtualenv and virtualenv wrapper, but for various reasons I can't/don't want to do that. So how do I modify the command? To make pip install the package somewhere other than the default site packages? The target switch is the thing you're looking for. But you still need to add d column / somewhere / other / then / the / default to Python path to actually use them from that location. Target install packages into. By default this will not replace existing files / folders in. Use upgrade to replace existing packages in with new versions. Upgrade pip if target switch is not available. On Linux or OS X. On Windows, this works around an issue.
Use. You might also want to use ignore install to force all dependencies to be reinstalled using this new prefix. You can use install option to multiple times to add any of the options you can use with Python setup.py install. Prefix is probably what you want, but there are a bunch more options you could use.
Instead of the target or install options, I have found that setting the Python userbase environment variable works well, from discussion on a bug regarding this very thing. Or set the Python userbase directory in your environment before running the command, using export. This uses the very useful user option but tells it to make the bin, lib, share and other directories you'd expect under a custom prefix rather than $home/.local. Then you can add this to your path, Python path and other variables as you would a normal installation directory. Note that you may also need to specify the upgrade and ignore installed options if any packages upon which this depends require newer versions to be installed in the Python userbase directory to override the system provided versions. A full example. To install the SciPy and NumPy package most recent versions into a directory which you can then include in your Python path like so, using bash and for Python 2.6 on CentOS 6 for this example. Using virtualenv is still a better and neater solution.
To pip install a library exactly where I wanted it, I navigated to the location I wanted the directory with the terminal then used. The logic of which I took from this page, this URL.
Installing a Python package often only includes some pure Python files. If the package includes data, scripts and or executables, these are installed in different directories from the pure Python files. Assuming your package has no data/scripts/executables, and that you want your Python files to go into /python/packages/package_name, and not some subdirectory a few levels below /python/packages as when using prefix, you can use the one-time command. If you want all, or most, of your packages to go there, you can edit your ~pip/pip.conference to include. That way you can't forget about having to specify it again and again. Any executable/data/scripts included in the package will still go to their default places unless you specify addition install options, prefix/install data/install scripts, etc. For details look at the custom installation options.
Beauty Patel, peace to society.